the book of Genesis, where the truth begins, chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The key ideas of verse 1 are: 1. Beginning. This is the start time itself. There is no before. 2. God exists before creation. He is eternal and not part of creation. 3. Heavens and earth. A Hebrew way of saying everything or the entire universe. In verse 2, the earth is described as: 1. Formless, no structure. 2. Void, empty. Darkness covers the deep or chaotic waters. The Spirit of God is hovering. God is present and active, not distant. This sets up the problem. The world is unformed and empty. God will form it and fill it. Genesis 1 is carefully structured into 2 parallel sets of 3 days. 1. A forming structure made up of day 1, light. Day 2, sky. And day 3, land and plants. 2. A filling structure made up of day 4, the sun, moon, stars. Day 5, birds and fish. And day 6, animals and humans. This shows intentional design, not randomness. On day 1, God says, "Let there be light." Light appears before the sun. God separates light into day and darkness into night. God brings order from chaos. Light symbolizes 1. Life. 2. Goodness. And 3. Divine presence. God creates by speaking. His word has power. On day 2, God separates waters. Waters above become sky. Waters below become seas. In ancient thought, water represented chaos. God controls and limits chaos. The sky becomes a structured space for life. On day 3, waters gather and dry land appears. Land produces plants and trees. Plants reproduce according to their kinds. God establishes natural order and systems. Life is self-sustaining by design. This day completes the forming phase. On day 4, God creates the sun that governs day, and the moon that governs night, and stars. Ancient cultures worship these as gods. Genesis presents them as created objects, not divine beings. Time is marked in days, seasons, and years. God controls time itself. On day 5, sea creatures fill the waters, and birds fill the sky. The first blessing is that God says, "Be fruitful and multiply." Life is meant to grow and expand. On day 6, animals are created according to their kinds. Humans are also made as the climax of creation. Let us make mankind in our image. Image of God means: 1. Rational thinking. 2. Moral awareness. 3. Authority and stewardship. And 4. Relationship with God. Both male and female equally bear God's image. The human role was to rule and subdue the earth. This is not exploitation. It means responsible stewardship. Humans are: 1. The only beings made in God's image. 2. Given dominion, authority with responsibility. And 3. Designed for relationship. This gives humans inherent dignity and value. Humans and animals are initially given plants to eat. This suggests a peaceful, nonviolent original creation. After each day, God says, "It was good." After humans, he says, "Very good." Creation is 1. Functional. 2. Beautiful. And 3. Morally good. Evil is not part of original creation. God's repeated pattern of creation was that: 1. God speaks. 2. Creation happens. 3. God evaluates good. And 4. Time passes, evening and morning. This shows: 1. Order. 2. Authority. And 3. Intentional design.